These days, everyone is talking about intermittent fasting. Doctors, celebrities, influencers, biohackers, which is very good. And mostly, it's about how fasting helps with weight loss, metabolism, and insulin levels. But very few talk about how fasting can heal your mind and mental health. Fasting has an incredible impact on your brain, emotions, focus, and even your ability to remain calm. The science behind fasting and the mind is honestly mind-blowing. So, here are the 3 reasons why you should fast for your mental health. Hi, I'm Gayatri Arvind, founder of Abasa Rehab and Wellness. We offer residential rehabilitation for people struggling with addiction, mental health disorders, eating disorders, and chronic conditions. Over the past 6 years, we have helped over thousands of people reclaim their lives through personalized care. Through this channel, we share practical wisdom to empower your mental health. Before going into the content, I want to say a couple of things. Number 1, this video is not about diet trick or weight loss journeys. And see, I'm not a doctor. Everything I'm sharing here comes from personal learning, experiences, study and research. And most importantly, if you have any health conditions, please consult your doctor before fasting. Number 2, fasting and skipping meals are not the same. Fasting is intentional. It follows a rhythm. It has a clarity behind it. Skipping meals is random, reactive, and often out of stress or busyness. So don't confuse the two. The mindset makes all the difference. Now, let's get into the actual reasons. Reason 1, fasting creates emotional space. What exactly is emotional space? It's the inner room you need to feel your feelings, to hear your thoughts, to process what's bothering you. It's what helps you to pause and understand what's happening inside. But when you eat constantly, especially when you're not hungry, that space disappears because digestion is a full-time job. Your blood flow goes to your stomach, your liver, pancreas, and intestines all get to work. Even your nervous system adjusts to the situation. It moves from rest and repair to digest and process mode. It's like your whole body goes into a mission. Okay, we've got food, so let's focus on processing it. And when your body is busy with digestion, your mind doesn't get a chance to rest. There is no gap to feel things. So the emotions you were supposed to feel, they get buried. Over time, your mind starts to feel foggy. You feel restless, you feel heavy, but you don't know why. Now, when you fast, it could be 12, 14 or 16 hours, your digestive system takes a break and suddenly there is room inside. Your body slows down, and in that stillness, all the emotions and thought you've been pushing down will come up. Rest mode creates more room for your mind to process things. At first, it might feel uncomfortable. You may feel like more sensitive, even a little raw, but that's a sign that your system is finally clearing the emotional backlog. And when you fast consistently, slowly your body and mind will start feeling lighter. Number 2, reduces inflammation and calms mind. These days, everyone is hearing the word inflammation, right? In simple words, inflammation is your body's way of responding to stress, injury, or overload. When your body is trying to protect you, it sends out heat, swelling, and chemicals to fight back. That's inflammation. It's very helpful when it comes and goes, like healing a wound or fighting an infection. When inflammation lasts too long, it becomes chronic. Instead of protecting you, it starts damaging healthy cells and tissues. In the gut, this can lead to poor digestion, bloating, and fatigue. But because the gut and brain are connected through the vagus nerve, this constant inflammation also sends distress signals to the brain. So you feel foggy, anxious, and lose focus. You snap more easily, and the worst part is you don't even realize why, because it's happening silently in the background. That's why chronic inflammation is now being linked to mental health issues like anxiety, depression, and even brain fog. But when you fast, your gut gets a break. And in that pause, your body starts to repair. That internal wound, inflammation, begins to cool down. And your brain produces a chemical called the BDNF, that is brain derived neurotropic factor. Think of it like a fertilizer for your brain. It helps new brain cells grow. It improves memory, sharpens focus, and lifts mood. And at the same time, your brain activates a process called the autophagy, where your cells clean out the damaged parts and rebuild. This cellular cleanup supports better BDNF signaling, helping your brain reset and rebuild. And slowly, your body and mind resets itself. You'll feel calmer, more focused, and more like yourself. Especially during fasting, the body finally gets a break to repair, recharge, and restore balance. Your gut is the second brain, and fasting helps it heal. Reason 3. Fasting helps you with dopamine detox. If you've been feeling dull, restless, or low on motivation lately, or if your attention span feels shorter than ever, there is a good chance it's not just a mindset issue. It might be a dopamine issue. Dopamine is a chemical your brain releases whenever something feels good, like eating your favorite food, getting a message, or finishing a task. It's a reward signal. It keeps you engaged, driven, and alert. Every time you eat junk food, something like salty, sweet, and fat, your brain gets a quick dopamine hit, and it gets used to that constant stimulation. Over time, you need more to feel the same satisfaction. More food, more flavor, and more stimulation. This is called dopamine desensitization. Your brain's reward system becomes dull. You stop enjoying simple things. You feel restless, distracted, and even after eating, you don't feel full, both physically and emotionally. That's where fasting can help you. Fasting stops this constant cycle of reward. It gives your dopamine receptors a break, and slowly your brain starts to reset. When you pair fasting with a few intentional habits like no scrolling, more quiet time, journaling, or even nature walks, you are giving your brain a full detox from overstimulation. Psychologists, they call this as dopamine detox. It helps you rebalance how your brain responds to joy. As a result, your dopamine sensitivity improves. You will start appreciating smaller things again. Your cravings will go down and your focus will improve. You will feel more alive and motivated.